Sup YouTube, I'm just gonna scroll around Roblox and you're gonna hear a lot of, yeah, a, a lot of noises throughout. Oh, it's walking. And, so I'm gonna get ready for my sniper to shoot him. Just gonna, I'm gonna pull the trigger and just fire. I think it's saying something. Wait. Man, he's cussing. So yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna look at games. No, Sorcus. Sorcus is like, and NJ is an okay, not that popular. But when you go to Shadowletsky, that's my best friend. He's really good. The MK, I bet he said this. That's why he got banned, probably. And this ad, I'm gonna report it. You know what it says? It says, nah, I don't report. So you guys have fun. I'm not gonna tell you how to do sound effects. Hee hee hee.